Let's see your current situation para malaman natin kung para sa'yo ang reading na to, my collective. Okay? So, yeah. Medyo magulo yung kwarto as of now. Hindi, yung likod lang naman. Kasi yung mga damit ko, hindi ko sinasampay na sa labas kasi nga nalaman ko na taas pala yung allergy ko sa alikabok. Ano na talaga. Pero may iniinom naman ako para hindi. So, dinadry ko siya sa loob. So, my collective, you are cleansing your energy as of now, your aura. You're looking for an info sa mga bagay na gusto mong malaman yung mga sagot sa mga tanong mo. Kasi I think hindi mo na tinatanong ibang tao, parang tingin mo na mas marami pang sagot yung online kisa yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Ayaw mo ng mga petty talk, yung mga ganon. You are happy where you are right now. You are finding your soulmate, no? So, ready ka na rin. I don't think you are in a relationship. So, kung nakarelasyon ka dito para sa'yo, I think you are ready to find your soulmate. So, tingnan natin. How would you find your soulmate, my collective? How would you? Will be our organic way, would be whatever. No? So, yeah. Once you make a transformation about yourself. Yeah. So, ibig sabihin, kahit na you're finding your soulmate, you have to trust for a new beginning. May di makilala mo rin to through work, through collaboration, through teamwork, mga ganun, no? Kung saan parang, hindi mo mararamdaman mag-isa at meron kang makakasama. Mare-recognize mo yung taong to. And I think itong taong to is matagal mo na rin kakilala. Oh my God! May reading ako na same na ganito kanina. Okay? So, might be, katrabaho mo or makakasama mo, collaboration, yung gano'n. Katulad ko, mga ganyan. Or, kung saan madami kang burden, biglang papasok tong taong to. Or kung wala kang burden, biglang sasabihin na tong taong to is, if you need help, I'm here. So, yeah. Doon mo marirecognize na, wait, itong taong to, ready maging andito para sa akin. At even doon na kaya ko naman gawin, itong taong to gusto ng teamwork. Talaga, as a partnership. Which doon mo malalaman na, ito yung tao na gusto kong makapartner. Which is nice, diba? So, yeah, I'm so happy for you. So, kung gusto mo na mas malalim na reading dyan, PM me, okay? For a private reading. And, tingnan natin ang payo ng guides mo towards you, my collective. Okay, very hardworking tong taon to, nakausap ko rin. But I guess you're finding a way to travel naman. So yeah, there will be a balance within finance sa mga bagay na bayaran mo. Lalo na kung may babayaran ka na mga properties din, no? Kotse, something like that, or no. Huwag kang mag-alala. And also sa health mo, it will be good. So you can do some pleasure in your life as of now. Be passionate. Be very, very fire. Year of the horse. But take it slow too. So it won't get you burned out and burned too. You can be with your friends, okay? And there will be a success in the future for you. So, ang ganda nitong reading na to, it's not just about love, it's also about your career, your passion, and your travel din. So, I think you also have to travel. Yeah. You might go to somewhere. This is just so random. Alam niyo, hindi ko ginagawa to kung mga followers ko nanonood. You might go somewhere na bigla na lang mag-snap sa'yo. And you might find some useful information about that. Kasi gusto ko sabihin, emotion din. Parang siguro may makikita kang magpapasaya sa'yo or something like that na, aha moment mo. Yeah, information or emotion. 7 might be resonated. 52, yeah. So, yeah. Okay, so, always make a better choice and bye-bye.